Ever wonder why Facebook ads seems to read your mind? It's no accident. Businesses harness the power of Facebook Ads Manager to target just the right people. In the next few minutes, we'll unveil how to navigate this tool, refine your audience, and optimize your campaigns for maximum impact. Get ready to transform your business growth with every click. Let's cut to the chase. Facebook's user base, a staggering 2.8 billion monthly active users. That's not just a platform, it's a universe, ripe for targeted advertising. Now, think about harnessing a fraction of that for your business. It's not just about exposure, it's about strategic connections. Incorporating Facebook ads is about precision targeting and retargeting, using robust analytics to make data-driven decisions. It's a marketer's dream, with tools to dissect demographics, interest, behaviors, and more. You're not casting a wide net. You're using a spear to hit your targets dead on. Success on Facebook is about meticulous audience segmentation, compelling ad copy, and a funnel that's optimized for conversion. It's about leveraging Facebook Pixel, lookalike audiences, and A/B testing to refine your approach continually. This isn't a set-it-and-forget-it game. It's about agility, insight, and the right blend of creativity and analytics. Stay tuned, and I'll walk you through the nuances of maximizing ROI with Facebook's ad ecosystem. We're talking about turning that ad spend into a measurable uptick in your bottom line. Let's dive into making your business a needle mover in the Facebook arena. What sets Facebook ads apart from the pack, it's not just another billboard on the digital highway. It's a smart billboard that knows who's driving by. Here's the straight talk. Facebook ads have a kind of X-ray vision. They see through the surface, understanding who your audience is, what they like, and what they do, and even predict what they're likely to do next. It's not just demographics, it's psychographics. While other platforms might get your ad in front of eyes, Facebook gets it in front of the right eyes. It's the difference between shouting into a crowd and whispering into the ear of someone who actually wants to listen. That's because Facebook's algorithm is constantly learning, refining who sees your ad based on who interacts with it. Bottom line, Facebook ads are about smarter spending for smarter returns. You're not just throwing money into the wind. You're investing it into a system designed to multiply it. That's the kind of edge that can take a business from playing catch-up to leading the pack. Also, don't forget to like this video, share this video, subscribe to my channel, click on that bell icon. That way you don't miss any updates to the channel. And please check out our other cool videos on this channel. I'm going to assume that you've got your Facebook business page locked and loaded. Solid start. Now, let's dive into the Ads Manager, the nerve center where your ad campaigns come to life. Think of Ads Manager as your campaign's headquarters. Here's where you call the shots on targeting, budgeting, and performance tracking. It's a robust tool, sure, but it's built to be user-friendly. Think of it as your ally in the ad game. To get rolling, click the grid icon on your Facebook page's top left corner and select Ads Manager. That's your entry point. Once inside, setting up a campaign is straightforward. Pick your goal, be it driving traffic, sparking conversions, or boosting brand visibility. Next up, zero in on your audience. It's about precision, like tuning a high-performance engine to run just right. And hey, if you're feeling overwhelmed, don't sweat it. Ads Manager is meant to empower entrepreneurs, not throw them into the deep end. Give it a whirl, experiment with the settings, and you'll soon see how it can amplify your ad impact. Now, let's roll up our sleeves and get down to business. Creating your first campaign. This isn't about throwing darts in the dark. It's about making each shot count. First things first, your campaign objective. What's the end game here? Driving traffic, racking up views, or converting browsers into buyers? Choose wisely, because your objective steers the ship, guiding Facebook's algorithms to your desired destination. Next up, billing. It's the fuel for your campaign engine. navigate to the billing and payment methods under Settings. Add your payment method because, let's face it, even digital real estate ain't free. But it's an investment, not just a cost. Think of it as the seed money for your money tree. Now, crafting that campaign. It's like building a bridge between your product and your customers. Start by naming your campaign. Make it something that resonates with your mission. Then, target like a sniper. Age, location, interest. Dial in your audience with the precision of a Swiss watch. Remember, this campaign is the messenger, not the message. Keep it aligned with your business goals, whether that's brand awareness or pushing sales. Each element, from images to copy, should be a chapter in your story, leading the customer on a journey to add to cart. If you hit a snag, remember, every mogul started as a rookie. Test, tweak, and tailor until your campaign is a well-oiled machine, turning clicks into customers. You've got your campaign blueprint laid out. Now, let's talk about getting your ads in front of the right eyeballs. Because let's be real, not everyone's going to be jazzed about what you're selling, and that's okay. You want your ads to be a bullseye, hitting the mark with the folks who are most likely to whip out their wallets. Audience targeting on Facebook isn't just a feature, it's your secret weapon. It's what makes or breaks your ads' effectiveness. Dive into the audience section of your ads manager, and you'll see what I mean. Facebook gives you the keys to the kingdom: demographics, interest, behaviors, you name it. Want to target the yoga-loving, smoothie-drinking early risers? You can. Looking for the night owls who binge-watch true crime shows? That's on the menu too. But how do you know who to target? That's where your customer avatar comes into play. You got to know their age, gender, interest, and even the kind of posts they love to double tap on. This isn't just helpful, it's crucial. It's the difference between shouting into the void and whispering into the ear of someone who's already nodding along. Use Facebook's detailed targeting options like a pro. Layer your demographics with interest and behaviors to create a cocktail that's tailored just for your audience. And remember, the more specific you are, the more your ad spend does the heavy lifting. So get clear on who your customer is and let Facebook's algorithms do the rest, serving your ads on a silver platter to the people who are hungry for what you're serving up. It's time to craft the kind of ad content that grabs attention and doesn't let go. This is where the rubber meets the road, and you turn browsers into buyers. Let's cut to the chase. Your ads' visuals and copy aren't just important, they're your frontline soldiers. You want images that pop off the screen and copy that hits home with your target audience. And the call to action? That's your battle cry. It's got to be clear, compelling, and smack of click me. But hey, don't just slap together something that looks good and call it a day. Every pixel, every word has to be dripping with intention, aligned with what you're all about. If your business is the steak, your ad content is the sizzle. You're not just selling a product or service, you're selling a feeling, an outcome, a solution to a gnawing problem. Now, strategy-wise, think about the journey you're guiding your customers on. Start with the end in mind. What action do you want them to take? Make that CTA big, bold, and irresistible. Use visuals that tell a story within seconds, and write copy that speaks directly to the heart of their desires or pains. Remember, on Facebook, you're not just competing with other ads. You're up against cat videos and family photos. Make your content so engaging that it stops the scroll, makes them think, "That's exactly what I need," and get that click. That's the art and science of creating ad content that converts. You've launched your ads into the wild. Now it's time to play the role of the savvy tracker, keeping a close eye on their trail. Monitoring ad performance isn't just about counting likes and shares. It's about diving deep into the data to make decisions that count. Here's the lowdown. Keep your finger on the pulse of your campaign's key performance indicators, KPIs, like click-through rates, conversion rates, and return on ad spend. These aren't just buzzwords. They're the bread and butter of your ad's livelihood. Now, if the numbers start to dip or you don't hit your expectations, don't just sit there. Optimize. Tweak your visuals, sharpen your copy, maybe even adjust your targeting. It's all about testing and learning. What works today might not work tomorrow, so stay agile. And there you have it, the inside scoop on mastering Facebook ads. Remember, it's not just about launching ads. It's about launching them with precision, tracking their journey, and optimizing for the win. Keep your strategy sharp, your content compelling, and your targeting on point, and you'll see the kind of results that make your investment worthwhile. Also, don't forget to like this video, share this video, subscribe to my channel, click on that bell icon. That way you don't miss any updates to the channel. And please check out our other cool videos on this channel.